This is something that you would have carried with you if you were a pious Christian to help you pray wherever you were. It is an altarpiece by an artist named Bartolomeus Bermejo. It is a traveling altarpiece. But what's unusual about this is its format. Most traveling altarpieces would have been in the form of a triptych. For example, our Dauvergne triptych that's on view in the West Building, where two outer wings close in to protect the central painting, and then you could easily transport it. However, this one is a bifold in a way. There are these hinges here, and what happens is you unlock the back. There are these two hasps on the back that hold it open. You undo them and you fold this down. And this folds, and you see this part protrudes from the bottom. And then on the back are these two handles, and these handles are what you would use to carry it. It is very unwieldy though, because of the large size, and also the fact that if you wanted to set it down, let's say, that you would have only this surface area to rest the painting down on. So that it's a very curious object. Another interesting thing about this object is that in the carvings, there's at least 3 campaigns of restoration. We believe that this awning, and this awning are either original or close to original to the sculpture, the object, the altarpiece. Then this and this awning were carved sometime probably in the 19th century. And you can see that these two are not gilded, but the original or the close to original ones are. And then we have this one. Well, when we acquired this painting, we did not have this piece. This is actually a recreation done by one of the former employees here at the museum. He was a good woodworker, and so he actually took this piece off and he carved a new piece for us to reinstall it. So when this went on view, when the new building opened in 2010, it was complete, but it was not complete because you couldn't see the back of the painting of the altarpiece. The paintings on the back are upside down, so that when you close the object, the paintings are right side up. So we were only really showing you half the story, and so that's why this recent installation, where you can see all around the object, is very exciting. So definitely, please come check it out.